Reaching for Orbit: The Promise of New Glenn, written by Tim Fernholz, Rocket Billionaires. Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, has grand ambitions. It aims to make space accessible, envisioning millions living and working beyond Earth. Central to this is the New Glenn rocket, designed for human and payload missions. New Glenn marks Blue Origin's entry into the heavy lift market. It's a symbol of reusability, lowering space access costs. Like SpaceX's Falcon 9, New Glenn's first stage lands vertically. This reusability is key to affordable space travel. With impressive capabilities, New Glenn is vital for future space exploration. Blue Origin aims to compete with SpaceX in the commercial launch market. New Glenn's success is crucial for Blue Origin's future. It represents years of research and investment, key to Bezos's vision for humanity in space. Engines installed, but challenges remain. A 2024 update. As of late 2024, Blue Origin has made significant strides in the development of New Glenn. The company has completed the installation of the powerful B4 engines on the rocket's first stage, marking a major milestone in its journey towards launch. These engines, designed and manufactured by Blue Origin itself, are fueled by liquid oxygen and liquefied natural gas, offering a cleaner and more reusable alternative to traditional rocket propellants. Integration of the various rocket stages, a complex and meticulous process, is also well underway. Blue Origin engineers are working tirelessly to ensure that all systems, from propulsion to avionics to the payload fairing, function flawlessly together. The company has also conducted extensive ground testing of various components, subjecting them to extreme temperatures, pressures, and vibrations to simulate the rigors of launch and spaceflight. Despite this progress, significant challenges remain. The development of any orbital-class rocket is a complex and demanding endeavor, fraught with technical hurdles and unexpected delays. Blue Origin has encountered its fair share of these challenges, pushing back the timeline for New Glenn's maiden flight. The company has been relatively tight-lipped about the specific reasons for these delays, attributing them to the complexities of rocket development and the need to ensure absolute safety and reliability. Delays and setbacks. A bumpy road to launch. The road to space is rarely smooth, and Blue Origin's New Glenn is no exception. Initially slated to launch in 2020, the heavy-lift rocket has faced delays, pushing its maiden flight to 2024. These setbacks raise questions about Blue Origin's ability to compete with SpaceX. One significant hurdle has been the development of the B4 engine. While testing is promising, delays in finalizing the BE4 have impacted the New Glenn program. The complexity of New Glenn itself also contributes to delays. As a reusable heavy-lift vehicle, it requires rigorous testing and integration. Ensuring flawless operation under extreme conditions is a monumental task. Blue Origin also faces competition for resources and expertise in the space industry. Attracting and retaining top engineers is crucial, and Blue Origin competes with SpaceX, ULA, and NASA for talent. The SpaceX factor: a race against the clock. The delays plaguing New Glenn's development have put Blue Origin in a precarious position, particularly in the context of its rivalry with SpaceX. Elon Musk's company has established itself as the dominant player in the commercial launch market, with its Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy rockets launching payloads at an unprecedented cadence. SpaceX's success is largely attributed to its rapid pace of innovation, its focus on reusability, and its ability to undercut competitors on price. SpaceX's Starship program, which aims to develop a fully reusable spacecraft capable of carrying humans to Mars, further highlights the stark contrast in progress between the two companies. While Starship has already conducted multiple test flights, albeit with some setbacks, New Glenn has yet to leave the ground. This disparity in development timelines has led some industry analysts to question whether Blue Origin can catch up to SpaceX's formidable lead. The competition between Blue Origin and SpaceX extends beyond the commercial launch market. Both companies are vying for lucrative government contracts, particularly from NASA and the US military. SpaceX's success in securing contracts for missions like crew transportation to the International Space Station and the development of a lunar lander for NASA's Artemis program has put pressure on Blue Origin to deliver on its promises. Missions on hold. The high cost of delays. The delays plaguing New Glenn's development have had significant repercussions, particularly for the numerous missions that are relying on the heavy-lift rocket for their launch. These missions, ranging from scientific endeavors to commercial satellite deployments, face uncertainty and potentially costly postponements due to New Glenn's unavailability. One prominent example is NASA's ESCAPADE mission, a dual spacecraft mission designed to study the Martian atmosphere. Originally scheduled to launch on New Glenn in 2022, ESCAPADE has been delayed indefinitely due to the rocket's unavailability. This delay not only postpones valuable scientific data, but also increases the mission's overall cost. Amazon's Project Kuiper, an ambitious initiative to deploy a constellation of over 3,000 satellites to provide broadband internet access worldwide, has also been impacted by New Glenn's delays. Amazon had secured multiple launches with Blue Origin for its Kuiper satellites, but the rocket's unavailability has forced the company to explore alternative launch providers, potentially at a higher cost. The National Security Space Launch, or NSSL program, responsible for launching critical national security payloads for the US government, has also been affected. Blue Origin was awarded a contract under the NSSL program, but the delays to New Glenn have raised concerns about the company's ability to meet the program's stringent timelines and requirements. The urgency of now, can Blue Origin deliver? Blue Origin faces a critical juncture in its quest to become a major player in the space industry. While the company has made significant strides in developing its New Glenn rocket, ongoing delays and fierce competition from rivals like SpaceX have raised questions about its ability to deliver on its ambitious promises. The urgency to launch New Glenn successfully and capture a share of the lucrative space launch market has never been greater. The company's future hinges on its ability to overcome the technical challenges that have plagued New Glenn's development and demonstrate its capability to launch payloads reliably and cost-effectively. Failure to do so could jeopardize its standing in the eyes of investors, customers, and the broader space community. Furthermore, Blue Origin must navigate the evolving landscape of the space industry, characterized by rapid technological advancements, shifting market demands, and increasing competition from both established players and new entrants. Adaptability, innovation, and a relentless focus on execution will be paramount to Blue Origin's long-term success. A race against time, the future of New Glenn. The future of Blue Origin's New Glenn remains uncertain. The company faces an uphill battle to catch up to SpaceX's formidable lead in the commercial launch market, and ongoing delays have cast a shadow of doubt over its ability to deliver on its promises. However, it is premature to write off Blue Origin entirely. The company has demonstrated its technical prowess with the development of its New Shepard suborbital vehicle and the B-4 engine. Moreover, Blue Origin benefits from the financial backing of Jeff Bezos, who has expressed unwavering commitment to the company's long-term vision. To succeed, Blue Origin must address the factors contributing to New Glenn's delays, accelerate its development timeline, and demonstrate its ability to compete on both cost and reliability. The company must also secure high-profile customers and missions to validate its capabilities and establish a foothold in the competitive space launch market. Conclusion: Blue Origin's uncertain future. Blue Origin's journey to develop and launch New Glenn has been marked by both progress and setbacks. While the company has made significant strides in developing its heavy-lift rocket, ongoing delays and fierce competition from rivals like SpaceX have raised questions about its ability to achieve its ambitious goals. The coming years will be pivotal for Blue Origin, as it strives to overcome technical challenges, accelerate its development timeline, secure high-profile customers, and ultimately launch New Glenn successfully. The company's success or failure will have significant implications for the future of the space industry and humanity's quest to explore the cosmos.